Yuhu, Christy, yuhu. Dito ang tingin. Hindi. So, happy birthday, Christy. And, nakakahiya kasi mag-message eh. I-play sa TV. Bawal bang i-PM ko na lang sa'yo mamaya? Hindi. Ay, nakatulog. Mali. So, happy birthday again. And actually, wala akong wish for you. Bukod sa sana lahat ng wishes mo matupad. Kasi ako pa ba mag-wish? Birthday mo. Ano? Ako ba si Cristala? As you can see, I use Harry Potter themed backgrounds and songs. Kasi hindi man tayo nakapunta sa Hogwarts, nasa Azkaban naman tayo. Also known as Adamson. And I'm forever grateful to have you in my life. I'm so proud of the person you've become, and I am even more excited to see the person you're still becoming. Totoo yun, tanga. Sa totoo lang, hindi ko na alam kung ano pang sasabihin ko sa tagal nating magkaibigan. Kaya, 1, 2, 3, go. Kanya-kanya na. Go. Feel free to modify this message or tailor it to your specific needs and benefits.
Nandito na ako. Nandito na ang liwaw. Magandang umaga, Manex fam. Ngayon, magluluto na tayo. 1. Ay nakatulog. 2. Kahit adik sa amin. 3. Dito ang tingin. 4. 1, 2, 3, go! Kanya-kanya na! 5. Utsup-sups. 6. Ngayon, tayo magkaluto na. Ngunit. 7. Simon. 8. Bagay naman kayo for science. 8.1. Happy. Bagay naman kayo 8.2. Sad. Bagay naman kayo 8.3. Disappointed. Bagay naman kayo 8.4. Panggi. Bagay naman kayo 9. Kain na po tayo, Team Raisa. 9.1. Bakit kuha na muna, nangangalay na ako 10. Dadaram. Ano? Huma. 11. Huma. Oh my God. 12. You're gonna try again. Yeah, go. 13. Adisara. 14. Kaya mo naman pala pero bakit sa akin hirap na hirap ka? 15. Taninang pa ng irip to. 16. Hirap ito dugyente. 17. Ikaw si Pente. 18. Depende country yan. May right ba sa left? May left ba sa right? 19. Saan pa kung direct niyaw? 20. Strongly agree. Happy birthday! Sa pagkatao mo.
Three, 2, 1, 21. Can you do some for me? 21. Can you hit a little rich flex for me? 21. And that's Drake on the radio wishing a special shout out to Christy by wishing her a happy birthday all the way from Toronto. And by the means of Drake, remove the D and the KE, keep the RA and add the 1 as an I. Put it together, it's actually from your girl, right? Wow, let's get a round of applause for that figure of speech. Wow, anyways. Hi, Christy. So, we've been friends for 12 years now. And honestly, that's a vibe. That's a lot. A lot for me to realize that we've seen each other grow from kids who played dolls, role-playing as vampires, characters from My Little Pony, Ever After High, Monster High, and God knows there are more. We shared a lot of moments and memories growing up. We basically witnessed our own questionable faces, but that never, and I mean ever, changed the friendship we have today. And I'm looking forward to whatever we have in store for the future. You should always know that I love you and I miss you so much. See you soon.
Hi, Christy. First of all, I would like to say happy birthday. Happy birthday! I hope you're having a blast right now with Jolly. Sorry din kung hindi ako makakapunta due to important responsibilities. Pero babawi ako. And let's bond soon. I just want to say how brave you are for facing life and for choosing to keep on going even if sometimes it feels so hard. And it's much easier to just give up. But hey, I think you're not just brave for choosing to keep on going or for just trying hard. You're also brave for sometimes choosing not to care too much about the things that makes you feel overwhelmed, or for choosing to rest, even if the world is constantly making us feel like it's bad to just take a moment. Right? I hope that today made you feel extra happy. And I hope that even in the most trying times or boring times or happy times, you still get to think that you're amazing. Good luck sa ACADS as well. Hindi biro ang psych lalo na with all of the personal things that are happening in your life. Pero may iba naman. Huwag naman yung puro negative ang kino-comment. Ano ba? Paano ba to? Ayan. Continue your creative side. Yung fun side ni Christy and yung nonchalant way of saying funny things. And yeah. Happy birthday ulit, Christy. See you soon. I pulled a Chi-Chi. I pulled a Chi-Chi.
Hey Kek, your favorite Sino main here. Happy birthday to one of my OGs, the writers of the writerests, the Genshiners of my Genshinese, and one of the most important people to me. Now, I won't make this too serious kasi I think tinawag show nila kaya din sa kanila. I'm kidding, it's a joke. But I do want to be sincere and say that I'm very happy that and grateful that I'm part of your 21st. I'm happy that since 2018, 2019, we've been friends and that we're still friends now and we're still part of each other's lives. And I'm looking forward to more years to come, from high school to now college and hopefully adulthood. I'm very hopeful that we'll still be friends and we'll still hang out like we do now in the future. And speaking of, if I ever get back into writing, whatever ideas that come into my mind in the future, once I get some free time, I'm definitely gonna share it with you. Because honestly, bonding over writing and Genshin with you is the best because we're balanced, you know? I'm the worst writer in history, and you're the worst Genshin player that I know. Joke lang. And yeah, bonding over Genshin especially with you and Jolly is such a highlight of my week. And it will remain that way for as long as I see it. So for UK, I will wish for you that may brighter days arrive and more blessings to come and more 50-50s to win. You know, and to make sure, I will be sacrificing Guai's and Rain's 50-50s so that you will win yours starting next week. Yes, that's it for me. Sinowen out.
We go together, better than birds of a feather, you and me. We change the weather, Yeah, I'm feeling heat in December when you found me.
Ako, si Zonette, Antoinette, May, Bernadette, Bayan. At naniniwala ako sa katagang may forever. Yes! Yes, may gig na naman tayo. Yes! So, ang my birthday today is si... What's her name? Chris! Chris! Naku, Chris. What a beautiful name, you know. Yes, so you remind me of our God, you know, Chris Aquino. Yes! Pero, ayun nga, actually, currently, it's 12 a.m. Actually, mag-1 a.m. na. Oh my God! And actually, hindi ako gumawa ng script dito para kasi naisip ko mas genuine kapag improv. Yes, so wala tayong prep. Yes, wala tayong preparation. Well, may practice, pero that's for vocals. Yes, vocals, vocalization, you know. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, Christy, Kek, is, ano, masasabi ko lang is hindi ko talaga pinanong mag-groove-a-me, pero ito na yung ginamit kong process, kaya i-go natin to. Ang masasabi ko lang is ikaw lamang. Yes. Ikaw lamang ang nais ko. Yes. Yes, di ko alam yung lyrics, pero ayun, ikaw lamang. Di ko alam kung para saan, pero ikaw lamang. And masasabi ko lang is, sana narinig nyo to, sana hindi sayang yung laway ko sa pagre-record ko kasi yung microphone ko minsan, pero, ang masasabi ko lang is, ang haba na ng recording na to, 2 minutes na, wala pa akong nasabi maayos. Daig ko na si Gwen neto. Pero, ang masasabi ko lang is, through all the years of our friendship, ayan na, genuine na siya. Through all the times of our friendship, I really felt like this year has made us so much closer than ever. And that might be because, we've been spending a lot more time sa Genshin together, having a lot more things in common to talk about. Yes. Pero, from the start na ever since, ay lagi ko nga sinasabi sa'yo nung time na we first met, nung write ka sa notebook mo, and ako, sobrang napaka-curious ko, binanggit ko pa talaga sa mukha mo, ay, nag-write ka pala. Pero ayun, I'm just very appreciative of your patient, very loving friendship towards every one of us, and I think you are just so supportive in your own way. That's just, you're not the loudest, pero you're always so felt kasi like, you're always so genuine whenever you say things kasi, yun lang, di ka naglalay, di ka naglalay, you don't know how to lie. You're like, if Pinocchio lies, then you wala kang nose. Yes. Pero ayun nga, I'm just very appreciative, and sana, all the hardships that you've been going through, especially recently, comes to pass, like ibabasbas ko na as Rufa-May. Go away na yung mga yan. That might not mean much, pero like, I hope you know na as friends, we always wish the best for you. And ayun, magpa 5 minutes na, pero ayun nga, I hope that you are enjoying the day so far. And ayun, marami pa kaming surprises. Diba, Gwen? kapag wala ka lang surprise queen, bakit? Pero, ang masasabi ko lang, ang daming sinabi. Pero, yun lang. Ewan, bakit? Pero ayun, yung nga ba? Ayun na, I'm always very appreciative and ano, I hope you know that you can always count on us, especially on me. And um, I'm always wishing you the best. And you are always the ano. Hindi ko lang kung saan ako pupunta doon, pero you are always. Yes! You are always. And thank you so much for always supporting every single one of us. And I hope you know that we're always supporting you. Okay? Go! Yes! At dahil dyan, maligayang Jihaw! Ayun, Tema, take it away. Tema, nasan ka na?